Here in Digos, I believe it's February 13th. No, actually February 12th. Gonna get some more livestock for the farm here. Gonna take 2 more pigs. One thing I like riding in a higher vehicle like this, it's good for my YouTube page because you can see above the traffic.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, because I like this higher vehicle because you can see above the traffic easier.
What's your YouTube name?
RVD ECW. I'll send you a link to it sometime. It's always a lot of fun getting these pigs. It's definitely never boring. Yeah, for those that don't like excitement, that's not the job for you. Just been beautiful weather here the last few days. The weather's been really good the last 4 or 5 days.
There is a low pressure area in the Philippines.
Yeah, and so it's not as hot and humid right now, which I'm sure you guys appreciate too, you know. Yeah, the other day when I was at the meat shop and, well, at the slaughterhouse with Roy and Tom, one of the pigs fell down and it was hilarious. Dumb pig fell down. Very bumpy, but you're in a vehicle that's got a high center of gravity too, which can make the bumpiness worse because this has a high center of gravity, you know. It's kind of like an SUV, they got high centers of gravity. Getting out here. Okay. Oh, is he getting back in?
You will get the big tip.
All pigs here.